Hey everybody, I'm at AC Moore. Day before the sale. As you can see, they're not marking anything down because the picks are 60% off from fall, which don't make no sense, and that's from Halloween. And it's $30, which also don't make no sense. So we're just gonna roll around. I bought the desk ribbon, which is kind of cool. It's rose gold, and my favorite message this. They have a $10 coupon, but the lines are ridiculous. Like, if you look this way, like, you still have stuff, but it's a mess. And a lot of the shelves, sorry, I'm bouncing around a little bit. Like, they literally cleaned off all the ribbon, which is crazy. And they still have some of the winter and fall stuff for 60% off. Yeah, I don't think so. They have all these foam stuff which is good for like different projects, but they're not on sale. I ain't buying that. You can make a little snowman after that method I showed you today by different kind of balls, but no, I don't think so. So, yeah, a little stuff, but not enough. Okie dokie.